Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys the soap trimmer we are producing at my workshop. This is how lovely it makes the soap come out. You can see how beautiful this soap looks like. It looks very trimmed and very shaped. So I will show you the trimmer we are using to produce this. It's actually available for sale. This is the trimmer. It's for 5,000 naira only. So you can see how this soap is. We are going to use that trimmer to give it a very nice and lovely shape. So just watch this video and see how this trimmer works. It actually makes the soap have a very beautiful shape. You can see what it is doing. It is giving the soap a good pattern and shape. So if you need this trimmer, you can do well by reaching us on that phone number or on those phone numbers there displayed on the screen. You chat us up on WhatsApp if you are interested in getting a soap trimmer for your soap business. This trimmer will make your soap come out looking very beautiful and very authentic. You will see the end result of this. We deliver this trimmer nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send it down to you. We can also send to other countries if you are interested in purchasing a soap trimmer like this. You can see what it has done to this soap. It has given it a very lovely curve. It makes the soap look very improved and very authentic now. So this will help your soap come out looking very beautiful. You can see the curves by the edge of the soap and by the sides of the soap. This is actually very beautiful for those that are in the soap business and they want their soap to come out looking very nice and beautiful. Then I will advise you to go for this soap trimmer. It's actually affordable. It's just 5,000 naira only. If you need it, you reach us through the number displayed on the screen here. We will produce it and send it to you. We have them in stock. So if you need them, reach us on the number. Goodbye and see you all next time.